What if the secret to becoming more focused, more disciplined, and more successful wasn't a morning routine, a productivity hack, or a self-help book? What if it was a hobby? Not just any hobby. The right hobby, one that quietly, almost invisibly, rewires the circuits of your brain while you're too busy enjoying it to even notice. Today, we're counting down 15 addictive hobbies that science says are literally reshaping successful people's brains, and how you can start any one of them. Here's what neuroscience tells us: every time you learn a new skill, practice a craft, or challenge yourself mentally or physically, your brain forms new neural pathways. It's called neuroplasticity, your brain's superpower to change and adapt at any age. The hobbies on this list aren't just fun. They build discipline, sharpen focus, grow emotional resilience, and train your mind to embrace discomfort, the exact traits that define high performers across every field. Let's get into it. Chess forces you to think multiple steps ahead, manage pressure, and accept losing gracefully. Studies show it increases IQ, improves memory, and builds strategic thinking. Every match is a workout for your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making. The addiction? Every loss teaches you something. You'll keep coming back. Playing music is one of the most complete brain workouts that exists. It simultaneously activates your visual, auditory, and motor cortex. Research from Harvard shows musicians have a measurably larger corpus callosum, meaning better communication between the left and right brain. The addiction? The moment a song finally clicks, you'll chase that feeling forever. Lifting weights does more than build muscle. It floods your brain with dopamine, serotonin, and BDNF, a protein literally called Miracle-Gro for the brain. It sharpens focus, reduces anxiety, and teaches you one of the most valuable life lessons: progressive overload. Small, consistent effort compounds into massive results. Writing daily forces you to organize chaotic thoughts into clear ideas. It builds emotional intelligence, reduces cortisol, and makes you dramatically better at articulating yourself, a skill that matters in every career and relationship. CEOs, athletes, and world leaders swear by it. MRI studies show that just 8 weeks of consistent meditation physically increases gray matter density in the hippocampus, linked to learning and memory, while shrinking the amygdala, your brain's fear center. This is the hobby that trains your most important muscle, your attention. Reading builds vocabulary, enhances empathy, and expands your mental models. Readers literally live more lives than non-readers, absorbing decades of wisdom in hours. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages a day. Elon Musk taught himself rocket science from books. Your library is your unfair advantage. Cooking combines creativity, chemistry, and mindfulness. It demands presence. There's no room to spiral into anxiety when you're managing heat, timing, and flavor simultaneously. It also teaches a core success principle: preparation determines outcome. Visual art trains observational skills that most people never develop. You learn to truly see, to notice details, patterns, and nuances invisible to the untrained eye. This translates directly into better problem solving and creative thinking in every domain of your life. Programming is structured, logical thinking applied to creative problem solving. It trains you to break massive complex problems into small solvable steps, a mental framework that works everywhere. And in today's world, even basic coding literacy is a superpower. Science confirms that contact with soil bacteria called Mycobacterium vaccae literally triggers serotonin release in the brain. Gardening also teaches patience, long-term thinking, and respect for natural cycles. It's therapy you can eat. Bilingual and multilingual people consistently show delayed onset of dementia, better multitasking, and stronger executive function. Learning a new language literally grows new brain tissue. It also rewires how you think, because different languages encode reality differently. Martial arts build physical toughness and mental resilience simultaneously. The discipline of showing up, the humility of being a beginner, the courage to spar, these forge character. Practitioners consistently report improved confidence, emotional regulation, and stress tolerance. Strategic games, think Civilization, StarCraft, or complex board games, build real-time decision-making, resource management, and adaptability under pressure. The key word is strategic. This isn't mindless scrolling. This is the mind being challenged to think faster and smarter. Long-distance running is a masterclass in mental endurance. The moment your body screams stop and you choose to keep going, that moment builds something inside you that no seminar can teach. It also floods your brain with endorphins and BDNF, making it one of the most powerful antidepressants available to human beings. Puzzles activate your brain's reward system with every small win. They build pattern recognition, persistence, and the growth mindset that treats obstacles as solvable rather than permanent. People who do puzzles regularly show significantly slower cognitive decline as they age. Here's what all 15 of these hobbies have in common, and it's not what you might expect. None of them are easy at first. Every single one of them puts you in a position of deliberate discomfort, where you're bad at something, where you fail repeatedly, where you have to show up even when you don't feel like it. And that's exactly the point. Success isn't built in boardrooms or on motivational posters. It's built in the quiet hours where you chose to practice instead of scroll. Where you chose to create instead of consume. Where you showed up for yourself one rep, one page, one brushstroke at a time. These hobbies don't just make you better at the hobby. They make you better at being human. They teach you focus, patience, discipline, creativity, and resilience, not as abstract values, but as lived, practiced, felt experiences. Your brain doesn't know the difference between practicing the guitar and practicing delayed gratification. Both build the same neural circuitry of self-mastery. So here's your challenge. Don't try to start all 15. Don't make a list and do nothing with it. Pick one. Just one hobby from this list that you're genuinely curious about. One that excites you even slightly. And commit to 30 days. 30 days. Not because 30 days will make you an expert, but because 30 days will be enough to feel the shift in your focus, your mood, your confidence, and your discipline. The most successful people in the world aren't doing more. They're doing the right things, consistently, patiently, and with deep engagement. A great hobby is where that begins. If this video gave you a new perspective, do me a favor, share it with one person who needs a push to start something new. They might thank you for it.